Okay, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1. Do you wear a watch?
Yes, I prefer to wear a watch because it feels me good whenever.
It makes me feel good.
It makes me feel good whenever I saw my watch on my wrist. So I usually wear a watch because it feels and it gives me a good pleasure.
Okay, it gives me a good feeling. Now, feeling you
Good
have already
feeling.
mentioned, so it'll
Yes.
be repetition.
Good.
For example, do you wear a watch? Yes, I love to wear a watch because whenever I wear a watch, I feel that I am more punctual. And I'm in a habit of checking the time again and again. So it's difficult for me to take out the mobile from my pocket. So to answer your question, I wear
wear a
watches
watch
regularly.
regularly.
Okay, let's go on. In your country, is it important to be on time?
Yes, it's quite important in my country during the offices and in schools. Everyone should be on time. So I think it's quite important in my country.
Okay. Do you like to be on time?
Yes, I prefer to be on time because usually people don't like someone who is coming late. They are not punctual because it gives a weak point to the others, and so people.
Okay. How do you feel when others are late?
I feel very bad when someone is coming late to, and if he commits with someone,
If he comes with anyone?
if he comes with someone, and I feel it's not to be good.
Do you feel bad if people are late, or if someone comes with some other person, then you feel bad about it?
No, I feel bad when someone is coming late
Okay.
because if you are committing with someone,
If you are committed.
if you are committed with someone and you have decided to visit a place.
Now, you know what is happening? Your answer is lingering on here and there. In IELTS speaking part 1, we need quick answers. So the question is, how do you feel when others are late? Well, first of all, it depends on the reason why others are late. If if there is a valid reason of coming late, then I don't mind at all, because I can also be late sometimes because of these valid reasons. On the other hand, if people are habitually late, then I really mind that thing, and I try not to commit with those people anything in the future. So to answer your question, it depends on the reason for being late, something like this. Because when you linger on, your answer becomes irrelevant. So just stick to the main topic, 4-5 sentences, and that's it, right? Thank you.